With so many fake AirPods out there that look nearly identical to the real ones, it's super easy to get tricked. That's why it's important to know what to look for so you don't end up getting scammed. In this video, I'll show you some quick and simple ways to spot the difference between real and fake AirPods before it's too late. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check the serial number. The most reliable way to know if your AirPods are legit is by verifying the serial number. First, connect the AirPods. Then go to your iPhone settings. Tap Bluetooth. After that, tap the eye next to your AirPods. Scroll down a bit and go to the About section. From here, tap on Hold on to the serial number. You will get a copy icon now. Tap Copy to add the serial number on your keyboard. After that, get out from there and open a browser. Search your AirPods coverage. Tap the very first link that opens up, which will be Apple's official coverage check website. Enter the serial number there by pasting it. To paste, you can just tap and hold onto the empty box. Once the paste option appears, just tap on it. Now hit Submit. After that, if your AirPods are real, Apple will recognize it. If it shows invalid or we are unable to complete your request, then your AirPods are likely fake. Step 2. Audio and features test. Connect them to your iPhone. Real AirPods will show a pop-up animation with the battery level when you open the case. Check if spatial audio, noise cancellation, or transparency mode is available, depending on your model. Most fakes can't replicate these features properly, and even if they do, the sound quality is not that amazing. Step 3. Price and packaging. If the deal seemed too good to be true, it probably was. Apple rarely discounts AirPods heavily, and they don't come in generic plastic wraps or with non-Apple stickers. The original packaging is high quality, with crisp printing and no typos. So try to compare these with the original AirPods you see on Google or YouTube. Now, the reason I have not mentioned anything related to checking the AirPods themselves or the case is because these days the fakes look way too close to the real ones. The build quality is nearly identical, so comparing the physical design won't really help much anymore. But if you manage to apply my aforementioned 3 steps, you'll most likely save yourself from being scammed. Now guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you out, then give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you are always in the know. Thanks a lot for watching till the end.